Hey my love dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latasha Love. If you are new, hello, my name is Latasha. Today I have a different video for you guys. I know it's been a while since I posted, but please comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on your bell notification so you know when I post. And if y'all want to know, what's on my lips, it is my lip gloss. I don't know if y'all can see, but this is my lip gloss and it's on my lips. Yeah, this one is called Barbie. So if y'all want to see, you can stay updated on my business page on Instagram at Lati Cosmetics, like Lati underscore cosmetics. I'm gonna put it in the description below. So yeah, so let's just jump right into this video. Okay, so today we are going to be doing, as y'all can see by the title, Americans Try Mexican Snacks. Now y'all, I forgot to get a Mexican drink, but so I have this. My mom gave it to me. Y'all can't even see the light, but I have this. It is a, I don't know, somebody at her job gave it to her. She works at a hotel, and one of the people gave this to her, or they left it. It's a half and half, so we're gonna see what that tastes like. But yeah, let me show y'all what I got. So I went to the store. I got some goodies in here, and they didn't have a lot of stuff to choose from. And I wanted to get this video out to you guys because I've been procrastinating and playing. So I just got like candy, and I got like chips and stuff too. So this is, everything's in this bag. So the first thing I'm gonna try, okay, let's try these. So this is the Toadies Doneras. I don't know. But yeah, the chile and lime flavored wheat snack. Artificial lime flavor. And it got a little rabbit on there. And I don't know how much this was. But yeah. Let's see what they taste like. And if I pronounce them wrong, what do y'all expect? So, that's what they look like. Let's taste it. Ooh, the chili. It tastes like a pretzel. But they're not hot. They just taste like a pretzel. Let me taste on another one. Like, it starts off as like, I think it's about to get hot. But they're okay. It's just that lime and that chili. And that's soda, y'all, that I got in there that I don't need to be drinking. Okay, so they taste okay. Like, I would eat those. Okay, and let's taste. I'm just gonna take out the bag. Okay, so I have this. It is a marshmallow with chocolate flavored coating. So I guess this would remind me of like a moon pie, cause y'all know moon pies is marshmallow with chocolate stuff on it, chocolate coating. So that, yeah. Oh gosh, something fell out. Yeah, Palette. I don't know how to pronounce that, y'all. Palette. I don't know. I don't know. It's messy. But I want to show y'all. Okay. This is what it look like. This is what it look like. So, I guess it's like gummy. Chocolate is falling off of it. I don't know. Let me taste it. It's good. It tastes pretty good. Like, once you get to eating it, yeah, that's good. That gets a 10 out of 10. The first one I had, I'm going to give that one a 2 out of 10. Okay. So, the next ones we have is these. It's keto style cooked habanero chips. Habanero potato chips. And they also have jalapeno, lime, and basically hot ones. And then these are a new flavor that they have. Y'all, this one is hot. Oh my god. That is hot. Y'all, my lips is really like pop in. Right. Y'all, these hot. These hot. I don't want to eat this. Bitch, they good. They good. Y'all, these is good. How are these a Mexican? Not saying how, but these are good. They real good. Those get a 10 out of 10. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I can't do that. Okay, so I love plantains. I don't know about y'all. I love me some plantains. So these are the plantain chips, naturally sweet. Yep. So I know I'm gonna probably like these. And y'all, I was trying to get like weird, not weird stuff, but you know, like stuff that would look, you know, somewhat good or whatever. But this is how they look. Love plantains. My mom probably gonna want these. These are really good. Good. A 10. Okay. So, let's get into this candy. Y'all, them chips is good. Okay. Them Plantain Chips is really good. So, I got this Lollipop. It's the Rocket Lettuce Yeah. Oh, Chile, 4 layers, and gum and a lollipop. Baby girl. Let's see what this is about. Period. Y'all. Baby girl, open it. The vote. Alright. So, let's. Y'all. It's not. Okay. I'm just keep that. So that's what it looked like. It looked good. Let's see. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I can't. That's not good. That gets a 1. Okay. I didn't know what that was about. Okay, let's do this. We have this Canty Delice. I'm just gonna say a chocolate bar. Let's see what it I think it has like milk in it. I don't know. Because on the front it has like cocoa powder, milk, and whatever else that is. But y'all, this look good. So let's see. It smells good. It might taste good too. Okay. Let's open it up. Okay? Anytime today. Alright, this reminds me of a Swiss roll. This is good. That definitely reminds me of a Swiss roll. If y'all ever had a Swiss roll, then y'all know what that tastes like. Swiss rolls are good. Okay? Yeah. I have. Basically, y'all, I just think this is like fruit, like a fruit rolled up type of candy, you know, like it's a Plantain mango. Okay. I don't know. Sorry, y'all, if I'm pronouncing y'all. Y'all, how am I gonna open this? Like, I ain't got no nails. Period. This is ridiculous. Okay. I'm coming, y'all. I'm coming. Okay. Bam. Bam. And y'all, I smell it. It smells so good. It smells good. Yeah, it smells really good. It's the mango. I love mango. Oh, y'all, it's like a bunch in here. Like a bunch. And that's what they look like. Trying to get a thumbnail, y'all. Yeah, so yeah, it's soft and it's mango flavor, so this may be good. Let's see. It's got like dust on it. Okay, let's taste it. It's like, okay, hopefully good. It's like when you eat it, it's a weird taste. Then when you start to chew it, it's good. Then it just get like back to the first taste that it was. I'm just like, what is this? Okay, I don't like that. And I got a whole pack of them. Like, what am I gonna do with all these candies? Y'all, I got one more candy. And I hope it's good. It's a lollipop. I don't know what this says. But it's strawberry and cherry flavored. Cherry lollipop. Strawberry and cherry hard candy lollipop. Okay. So, this may be good. Y'all, this right here, nigga, is good. This is good. I'm going back there tomorrow and I'm getting a bunch of these. These are rocking, okay? Strawberry and cherry flavored hard candy lollipop. We're gonna say that for later, cause that gets a 10 out of 10. Okay. So y'all, last but not least, what do I have? Y'all wanna guess? Comment down below and guess. Hurry up, hurry up. Tuckies. Y'all, I seen these in there and I was like, I did not know those was a Mexican snack. Like, I had these, but then like I really didn't really taste them. So we gonna see. We gonna see. Comment down below if y'all like these. So y'all already know how Takis look. So we gonna taste them. They're good, but whatever, I don't know, it's like the whatever that first flavor is too much of it. Like, they're good though. It's like too much of something. Hot chili pepper and lime. They're good, but it might be the chili. It might be too much to that chili. Yeah, I didn't even drink that drink my mom gave me. I forgot I had that. But these are good. It's just like too much of something. I don't know. Let me know if y'all think the same thing that I'm thinking, like it's too much of something. But that's all the snacks that I have, you guys. I'm about to taste this though. And yeah, I think some lady makes this because like it has her name and stuff on it in Reedsville, North Carolina. So, oh shit, y'all, I'm clumsy. I'm paying my mind. Comment down below, y'all, and tell me if y'all want me to do a seafood mukbang or any type of mukbang that y'all want me to do. I'm open to any type of videos, but I really appreciate it if you guys comment and, you know, chat back with me and let me know what y'all want to see. Y'all, today I just look plain. Got a bun in. Just brows looking crazy. I just, you know, just chilling. It tastes okay. It's alright. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video. Turn on your bell notification, whatever it may be. Comment down below. I'm going to leave my business page in the description below. If you guys want to know updates about the lip gloss and when it's launching, you have to follow that page. But I will let you know when it's launching. It's going to launch April 1st. I was going to launch it on my birthday, but I'm not going to be here, like, in town. I'm going to be out of town for my birthday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I'm going to stay consistent. I have another video coming right after this that I'm about to record. So y'all stay blessed, stay safe, and live your life. Be kind to one another. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.